Hi YouTube family, it's been a week since I posted my previous video, so I just wanted to do a little update on my dragon fruit plants. It seems that there's been growth happening. See, there's growth there. There's that's the growth from a week ago. And they're looking pretty good. This one's getting bigger. So this is my Vietnamese white. Almost reaches my trellis, top of my trellis. And this is my purple haze, my voodoo child. And there's the growth. It's good. And here, two small ones this past week. So that's awesome. And over here I have my purple haze. This one's kind of slow. There's just a little bit of growth there. On this side I have my David Bowie, and this one has a lot of growth. So it's growing there, expanding those branches. So this one, when I got it, it was already cut, so I didn't have to cut it. And there's growth there. There's growth there. There. Oh wow, and there's more growth down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There and there. I'll probably cut those out later on, so it'll give, so the plant can give more energy to this top growth. On this side, there's growth there. So hopefully this new growth will reach the top of my trellis and expand from there. And on this side, I don't know if you guys remember last week, I was thinking that this plant was dying, but it has new growth right there. So that's awesome. That means it's doing good, I hope. So, and then on this side we have my Zamorano. This one has growth all over the place. Has growth there, there. These ones are growing. I'll probably leave this one here, so it'll grow. And this one's growing, and it's up there now. So I'm still not sure if I should cut it. I don't know. I'm still undecided. And my last one, my Halley's Comet. Look at that. These two little branches, they grew a lot this past week. So they're almost reaching the top of my trellis. So these are my dragon fruit plants. This is a quick little update. They seem to be doing good. I love it. Some of them have a little bit of sunburn because this past week we had a couple of days over 100 degrees, so it burned them a little bit, but they seem to be recovering quite well. So I'm excited. Alright guys, so that's it for this little update. I'll see you guys next week.